Hi, my name is Mel. Come along with me as I explore, travel, adventure, and create photography. This is MinuteTour, the home for my adventure stories. We visited Idaho almost every year, and this time I captured while we were traveling from Island Park, Idaho to Salt Lake City, Utah. The road we used to go from Idaho to Utah is I-15. It is a wonderful road to see beautiful, wide, open landscapes, gorgeous mountain views, and vast canyons. Did you know that I-15 goes through 6 different states? From north to south, it goes through Montana, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Nevada, and California. We so much enjoyed this almost 300-mile drive, even it was long. I love every minute of our drive. It's incredibly beautiful scenery along the way. Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to watch more videos, just search MinuteTour. Remember, no space. And see you in the next adventure. Bye!